Hi, welcome to the video. I'm Dean Vera, and today in this video we'll talk about the bootleg concerts in the Philippines. Are they illegal? Stay tuned. Hi, welcome back. As you know, in July 2025, Philippine Concerts, a group, is going to hold a concert with Howard Shore and the music from Harry Potter and others. Now, I chanced upon this in my search of the internet for music venues and all that, and I said to myself, are these bootleg concerts illegal or are they legal? Let's dive in. Let's discuss first the law behind these concerts or the music itself. Howard Shore is the scorer or the composer for the music score in Lord of the Rings. He's famous for it. In fact, he won the award for the music, at least for the last film, of The Return of the King. Now, Lord of the Rings music is quite iconic. I'm sure if you hear it, you will recognize it from the movies. And Howard Shore is the composer. Does he control it? Obviously, he does, because at this point in his notoriety and his stature, he will get to own the notes of the music. Now, Warner Brother probably owns the masters or the recorded score that is attached to the movie in the Lord of the Rings trilogy. So, Howard Shore owns the notes, the music itself, but the masters or the recorded version is owned by Warner Brothers. Now, what's being played in these bootleg concerts is the notes of the music that is owned by Howard Shore. Let's go to the second part, whether it's a private or a public performance. Now, it is considered private if the performance of the music is in front or by or with a circle of family and friends. Now, is this a private performance? No, it is not, because the concerts, the Philippine bootleg concerts, will be in the Metropolitan Theater in Manila, and they're actually charging seats as high as 6,000 pesos, it's about $100, and the lowest I think is around 2,000 pesos or less than 25 or less than $50. So again, there is a profit motive, meaning the profit motive, although it's not a all-in factor to contribute to infringement, it is a, how do you say it? It is an aggravating circumstance with regards to whether it is infringement and it is violating the performance rights of Howard Shore. So again, we see that it is not among circle of family and friends, and there's advertising and there's a ticket price. Hence, it has all the contributing factors to declare it as an infringing performance. Now, in the Philippines, a public performance that is infringing can be considered criminal in nature if the owner of the music files a criminal charge against the performers or the organizers of that concerts. Therefore, I can declare that the bootleg concerts are in effect illegal based on Philippine copyright law. Now, what can Howard Shore and other composers can do? Well, they can do several things. One is through themselves or through a law firm in the Philippines, send a cease and desist letter to the organizer saying, please stop the concerts. You are doing something without authorization, hence illegal. They can go to the court system and file what they call a preliminary injunction, meaning they ask the court to order or to prevent the performance. They can do an extreme if it's close to the performance, which is in July 2025. They can file for a temporary restraining order or a TRO, but that is costly because there's a bond associated with it, and judges here in the Philippines are very wary of issuing temporary restraining orders. Now let's talk about infringement. It is infringement if you are violating the rights of a copyright owner. And it's an infringement basically if you're doing such use, whether performing or playing it or utilizing it in some other form, without permission of the owner or the one who controls the music. So Howard Shore has already made a statement regarding the organizers of these bootleg concerts, which apparently started in New Zealand. So therefore, the bootleg concerts are in essence illegal. So if you have bought the tickets please, I advise you in respect to Howard Shore and other composers and other musicians, please get a refund. And if you're planning to buy, I would suggest you don't. Just listen to the Howard Shore's music either on Spotify or watch the movie again. Hi, please do me a favor and smash that like button. It'll help me a lot and it will trigger the YouTube algorithm. Now, if you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you don't, my dog will eat this exam booklet and that student has to repeat his final exam again.